like my old colleague.
Ayoko. Okay, what?
Tilt it. Dude, tilt it. Down. You want some water? What's that for me? Oh, smash man. Let's move. Oh my god!
Yuck.
I love that she's quiet about it.
It's here, you do it.
Do it like this too.
Here. Ready?
Did you fart?
Oh no, man!
Ito yun na.
No, I'm not doing it.
Ikaw na.
No.
She's immature. No, mature na pa.
Y'all are so immature, it's unbelievable.
Really? Yes.
No, don't do that in the name of.
You know that it's been stuck in my head.
No, you know what's stuck in my head? With the power and honor is yours now and forever.
Let's burp together.
Oh my god!
This is what we call friendship right here.
Let's go. I go. Then you're